Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, I'm trying to do an NFT purchase from the drop at crypto.com. You can see I've had multiple failed attempts. I think this last one was successful. However, my crypto.com crow balance has taken a hit and it's very disappointing. So that would be a taxable event, I would guess. But they did refund me in USDC coin, which is pretty good, right? At least I got the refund. But, okay, so I want to show you my NFT. So, here's the NFT that I got. It's the Snoop Dogge coins. Alright, it's pretty cool. I was kind of on the border. It was $213 for the coin. So, still haven't decided if it was good yet, but I wanted to try an NFT out and see how I like it. So anyway, we'll see how this goes. Tell me what you think, if this is a good, bad, medium, horrible investment, whatever. Like I said before, I'm not an investment advisor. Don't take anything I have to say seriously. This is not investing advice. It's just some guy on the internet. Do your own research. Alright, guys. Tell me what you think about the Dogecoin. The Snoop Dogge coin. Whatever they call it. Pretty cool. And I'll add it to my actual Doge collection. Hopefully it'll go up in value. Once the sale's over, there's still a bunch available if you want to get some, I think. Alright guys, thanks for watching.